Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you beautiful button crafts ideas. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, buttons are small but they can be used in many beautiful ways. With a little creative, you can turn all buttons into amazing art piece. And friends, one easy idea is button flower. Take a colorful button and arrange them like flower petal. Glue on paper or canvas to create a bright flower design. And reverse and friends, you can also make a button photo frame. Take a simple frame and decorate it with a button of different size and color. It will look unique and stylish. And viewers, another lovely idea is the button walla. Draw a tree or heart or paper on canvas it and fill it with the button. It create a beautiful handmade decoration for your room. And viewers, button bracelets are also very popular. Use a thread or elastic string and attach small button to make a cute accessories. Button coaster, another simple craft. Glue button in round shape or on a base. Create a colorful table coaster. And viewers, so I hope you enjoy my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates.